I'm gonna leave a bit early. Bye.
But you just came an hour ago. Imagine a world where nobody knows the exact time. No 8:30 a.m., no countdowns, no perfect login or logout, and no deadlines. Only sunrise, noon, and when the shadows get long. For most of human history, time wasn't measured. It was just observed. The first clocks were sundials. They looked at the sun to tell time, and during the day they used stone with a stick. When the sun moved, shadows moved. And that's how they guessed the time. And at night, used water. Water slowly dripped, filled the bowl. As the water moved, time passed. This was not very accurate. If the sky was very cloudy, they couldn't see the sun. And if something went wrong with the water, they couldn't tell the time. In India, priests and astronomers read the sun so precisely that they could tell you not just the time but whether that moment was blessed by the sun's position, auspicious enough to begin a journey, seal a trade, or crown a king. And then late in the medieval Europe, investors built machine that was built on gears. Gears were used along with the moving parts. Well, it made the clock move step by step. This made a ticking sound. And by 1300s, massive iron clocks were mounted in church towers. They were striking time so that the entire town could hear the hour. They weren't very accurate. They were mostly wrong by an hour a day. But they made something revolutionary. They made time public. A clock in a city square was more than a tool. It was a statement. It said that your city had wealth and skilled craftsmen. But the real turning point came at the sea. Accurate timekeeping was essential for calculating longitude. Without this, ship could drift hundreds of kilometers, of course. And we began by watching shadows, and now we measure vibrations of atom. The merchant who once traveled by the position of the sun now trades in milliseconds, because before you trade across border, you have to agree on one thing, what time is. And follow us for more histories.